reach up.
How's it going, guys? Dr. Nick here from Kalkstein Chiropractic. We're here with Alex, an aspiring amateur volleyball player who's recently injured himself. How'd you do it?
I had a fellow player land on my neck and then the general wear and tear on my low back.
Cool. So, a lot of times we see volleyball players with low back pain. You know, they spend a lot of time extension, bending backwards. You know, when they go to serve, they spike the ball, that sort of jazz. So, for him, we're gonna treat him, get him stretched out, get him feeling a lot better. It's your right hip.
My right hip.
Your right hip.
My right hip.
Cool. Let's have you start with, let's go face down first. All the way in. And then you're getting ready to start up. You're thinking about starting up playing DC area, right?
That is correct. That is my hope and dream.
Was it Noel that used to work here? He was very big into volleyball, and I think you're kind of following his footsteps with going to DC, right? There's a league out there.
There is. Noel got me in with this group of players, so thank you to him.
Shout out Noel. He is currently at Logan University studying chiropractic with Kendra and Nicole, who also worked here. They're going to be doing some big things here soon. So right now, his mid back is just super locked up. When that happens, he compensates elsewhere, being his low back, in order to really get that extension. So big breath in, let it all the way out. Let that shoulder drop, sink into the table. A little pressure. Good. Last little bit, big breath. Let it all the way out. Good, drop that shoulder, left side. There it is. Good. Right hip's a little clunky. Left side's moving a lot better. So let's start with your left side up first. Let that leg bend. Tuck that arm up. Are there dedicated positions? Or do you just kind of rotate?
I'm usually in and up as a middle.
Nice. Let that drop here. A little pressure. Good. Other side. Alex is a big dude, but he moves very easily. So you probably see a lot of our videos, you know, with these low back adjustments. It looks quick and violent, but I assure you it's not. If you're someone that that shies you away from chiropractic, I tell you give it a chance, because you know, not everyone adjusts hard, and it's not going to be painful for you. So same thing, little pressure here, let that hip roll. Good. On your back, face up. You just check out the hips, see how they're moving. Slide those hands up for me. A little higher upside that hand. There we go. Slide. The left side's moving pretty well. Let it roll out. Decent.
Nothing.
A little clunky on that internal rotation. Let's see about the right. Not so much. Even less. Let it drop.
It's a little painful.
Even more or less. A little pain up on the front there.
Yeah.
Cool. Not cool. Knee up to your chest as hard as you got. Drive, drive, drive. There's some strength there. Same thing. Knee up, drive, drive, drive. Good. But not as strong as the left side. So I want you to roll on your side, face that blue wall. Let's do a little piriformis release with you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little soft tissue work on those psoas. It's a deep hip flexor. And a lot of times when that is very tight, it can cause some low back tension and discomfort. So we're gonna help stretch them out a little bit. So let that hip roll back. Good, knee down from there. Good. Back up. Gradually work a little deeper. Let that breath out. There you go. Good. Take that right hand, reach up over your head. Big breath. Let it all the way out. Go ahead and bring that knee back a little farther if you can. Good. Back up. Couple more here. Go ahead. Good. That's a good one. Arm up. Let that breath out. Good. Bring that knee back a little farther. There it is. Good. Last one here.
It's extra crunchy.
Go ahead. Reach up. One more big breath. All the way out. Good. Don't guard with that stomach. There it is. Good. Relax. Thank you much, Brady.
You're welcome.
Go on your back. So right now, let that left shoulder relax, just feeling here. Left side of his neck's real clunky. His right upper portion's not moving too hot either. So let's start left side, let it roll. Let's do the rest of it in the chair here. Have a seat. Alright, I want you to look to your left here. Let your head fall all the way down. Let me have the full weight. Good, big breath in. Let your head roll here. Drop that right shoulder. There you go. I want you to do one more breath. Really sink down into the chair here. Good. Same thing on the left here. Big breath. Drop that left shoulder all the way. Good. One more. All the way. Let me have the full weight. There you go. Good. Got a little bit of your jaw on that one. Good. Awesome. Alright. Anything else I can help you with?
I think that's it.
Feeling good?
Feeling good.
Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. You know, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Be happy to answer them. But until next time, take care.